Hi everyone. This video is being posted on Tuesday, January 11th, 2022. I'm Candy Frye, the Director of New Business Development here at Pickett Construction. I'm a proud two-time graduate of Johnson College. First, class of '93, where I earned an associate and specialized technology degree in building construction technology, and then in class of '94, where I earned an associate degree in architectural drafting and design. I'm also a member of the Johnson College Board of Directors. Today, I'm filling in for Dr. Katie, who is unavailable because she is touring with the local band, the Menzingers. At least that's what I've been told. Last Wednesday, January 5th, during Transfer Day, the Johnson College campus was buzzing with young women and men interested in changing the direction of their education and ultimately their career. These visitors toured the campus, got to experience the hands-on education we know our college is known for, and learned how our students are immersed in industry from day one. Congratulations to the enrollment team on another great event. Last year, Johnson College had to cancel their annual Alumni Hockey Night due to the pandemic, but I'm happy to report it's back. Join us for the 2022 Alumni and Family Hockey Night on Saturday, February 5th, as the Wilkes-Barre Scranton Penguins take on the Providence Bruins at Mohegan Sun. Festivities begin with a pre-game happy hour at Grotto Pizza outside the Wyoming Valley Mall. Tickets for alumni are free. Visit johnson.edu/hockey for more details and to order your tickets. This is always a great event and one you don't want to miss, so get your tickets today. Johnson College will host its second 3D printing competition for local high school students on Friday, March 2nd, 2022. The competition is an opportunity for high school students to showcase their abilities and creativity using science, technology, engineering, and math (STEM) techniques. All students and groups must be registered by a high school staff member who will also serve as an advisor while their students are on the Johnson College campus the day of the event. Registration ends February 11th, so visit the college's website, johnson.edu, for more information. As I mentioned, today I'm coming to you from where I work, Pickett Construction in Kingston, Pennsylvania. A proud Johnson College industry partner, Pickett Construction is a full-service construction management and general construction company. Our expertise is in various industries including healthcare, retail, nonprofit, fast food, industrial, education, and more. When working with us, clients are assured that our workmanship is of the highest quality and that projects will be properly managed, supervised, and completed on time and on budget. To learn more about Pickett Construction, visit our website, apickett.com. And now to my final note of the week. Pickett Construction is pleased to say that we are proud of our own in-house Johnson College graduates. We currently have 3 graduates just on our leadership team alone. As for me personally, Johnson College has helped lead me to where I am today, both personally and professionally. Proudly, I was honored to be the class of 2021's commencement speaker. I wanted to share with you a few of my closing comments to the class of 2021. Stay true to yourselves. Cultivate a continuous attitude of gratitude. Give back to the communities in which you live, work, and serve. Be kind. There have been many changes over the Johnson College history, but there are those things that will forever remain steadfast. We are skilled. We are resilient. We are leaders. We are essential, and we work. That's it for this week's presidential update video from Pickett Construction in Kingston. I'm Candy Frye, filling in for Dr. Katie, who may or may not be back next week. Thank you for watching and have a great week.